What if I told you that the secret to reawakening your energy, boosting circulation, and restoring the kind of intimacy you thought was gone forever isn't hiding in a prescription bottle? What if it's something tiny, natural, and already sitting in your kitchen? Something smaller than your fingernail, yet powerful enough to get your blood flowing again. In just 60 seconds. No pills, no injections, no gimmicks. Just one simple, natural spice that's been quietly transforming men's vitality for centuries. I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, a urologist with 12 years of experience helping men reclaim confidence, energy, and connection. And today, I'm revealing 10 essential truths about male vitality and the exact 60-second method that could change everything. Stay with me till the end, because by the time you do, you'll understand why your body isn't broken. It's just waiting to be reawakened. So before we dive in, hit like, drop a quick comment, and subscribe, because trust me, this is one you'll want to come back to. Truth number 1, it's not just aging, it's reversible. If you've noticed weaker erections after 60, let's get one thing straight, it's not your fault. And it's not just getting older. Here's the real reason. Over the years, the microscopic blood vessels that supply the penis, the ones as thin as a human hair, start to narrow and stiffen. Inflammation, stress, poor circulation. They quietly choke those vessels, cutting off blood flow little by little. Your body hasn't forgotten how to respond. It's just waiting for the right signal, and that signal can come from something as simple as a spice. Truth number 2. Stress is the silent hormone killer. Chronic stress is like a thief that never sleeps. Every time your body releases cortisol, the fight-or-flight hormone, your testosterone takes a hit. High cortisol, low testosterone. Even men who look healthy on the outside can feel tired, foggy, or emotionally flat. But here's the twist most men miss. A major source of stress and inflammation doesn't start in your brain. It starts in your mouth. Yep, gum inflammation leaks bacteria into your bloodstream, fueling body-wide inflammation that damages those delicate penile vessels. So when we talk about restoring blood flow, we're really talking about calming inflammation everywhere. Truth number 3, the spice that sparks circulation. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. The tiny powerhouse that's helped countless men over 60 feel alive again. Clove, used for centuries to boost energy, sharpen focus, and ignite circulation. Here's what science shows. Clove contains eugenol, a natural vasodilator that helps open up blood vessels fast. That means better blood flow, stronger energy, and a restored connection between body and mind. Emotionally, it reminds you, your body can still respond. Practically, it's simple, fast, and free of side effects. Truth number 4, the right way to use it. Step 1, use whole cloves, not powder or oil. Take 2 to 3 dried cloves. Place them between your molars and gently bite until they crack. Step 2, let the oils mix with saliva for 30 seconds. That's where the magic happens. Those compounds slip into your bloodstream, fast. Step 3, chew slowly for another 30 seconds. You can swallow or spit, it's up to you. Truth number 5, timing is everything. Use it twice a day. Morning on an empty stomach. Jumpstart circulation, clears brain fog, and sets your energy tone. 1 hour before bed, supports hormone balance, deep sleep, and stronger morning erections. Here's what to expect. Day 7, you'll notice a lightness in your chest, a gentle warmth, better sleep. Day 14, mornings feel clearer, stress levels drop, and your confidence starts to return. Day 30, deeper sleep, steadier energy, stronger blood flow. You feel present in your body again. Truth number 6, stack it for maximum results. Add-ons make all the difference. Honey, rich in boron, it supports testosterone and stable blood sugar. 10-minute walk, moves blood, amplifies cloves effects. Deep breathing, try box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. It calms your nervous system and improves nutrient absorption. Want to go advanced? Add L-citrulline from watermelon extract, horny goatweed, tonkat ali, fenugreek, and nettle root. Together, they boost nitric oxide, testosterone, libido, and prostate health, covering every layer of male vitality. Truth number 7. You are not broken. Listen, your body isn't giving up on you. It's just waiting for a reason to come alive again. 1 minute a day, one clove, one decision to believe your best years aren't behind you. They're right here, waiting. This isn't just about sex, it's about energy, focus, confidence, and freedom. When circulation flows, everything follows. Your mind clears, your drive returns, and your connection deepens. Truth number 8. Your vitality story isn't over. So start today, because the difference between someday and day one is one small step. Take it. Your body will thank you. Your partner will feel it. And your confidence will return stronger than ever. I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, and I want you to remember, age is not the end of vitality. It's the beginning of wisdom, strength, and the power to take back your health naturally. So, if this resonated with you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple, natural ways to reclaim your energy and confidence, because you deserve freedom, vitality, and strength at every age.